The climate crisis is real. We are witnessing the devastating effects of climate change all around us. From melting ice caps to raging wildfires and extreme weather events, the signs are undeniable. We need to act fast. The urgency to transition to renewable energy sources and sustainable practices has never been greater. Planting trees, harnessing wind power, and installing solar panels are just the beginning. Investing in green projects is crucial. These initiatives require substantial financial backing to make a significant impact. Investors are eager to support environmental projects that promise a sustainable future. But there's a problem. Getting funding to these projects is too slow and complicated. The current system is bogged down by inefficiencies and red tape. Traditional financing methods are not built for speed. They involve a lot of paperwork, numerous forms, and long waiting periods. They involve lots of paperwork, middlemen, and delays. This bureaucratic process can be frustrating and time-consuming for everyone involved. This discourages investors and slows down progress. The delays in funding can lead to stalled projects and missed opportunities to combat climate change. We need a faster, more efficient system. The planet can't wait. We must find innovative solutions to streamline the financing process and accelerate the implementation of green projects. This is where Greenation ZeroChain comes in. It's a revolutionary platform designed to address these bottlenecks and make green financing more accessible and efficient. It's a revolutionary platform that streamlines the BC energy data measurement digital transformation into innovative green financing instruments. By leveraging advanced technology, ZeroChain simplifies the entire process. Using the power of cloud technology to mimic blockchain capabilities with a cloud-native DLT ledger secured by quantum theory-based cryptology, AI smart contracts as logic apps and serverless functions, ZeroChain connects investors directly with green energy projects. This direct connection eliminates the need for middlemen and reduces delays, ensuring that funds reach projects quickly and efficiently. The Greenation ZeroChain Sustainability Network native cloud-based platform called EcoLedger simplifies data collection and analysis for energy optimization, monitoring and visualization. ZeroChain uses advanced trade secrets with self-developed cloud and quantum technology. It speeds up the whole process. It removes the traditional barriers to real-time data-driven decision-making processes. This ensures transparency and security. Energy producers, consumers, and investors can see exactly where their money is going. They can track their energy footprints and the impact of their investments. This transparency builds trust. Trust attracts more investors. More investors mean more funding for green projects. It's a win-win situation. Here's how ZeroChain works. It converts real-world energy production data and green assets into digital duplicates or twins. These clones are called terajoules, which are energy-backed units equivalent in value that represents the production data collected by API data connections to smart meter infrastructure. Think of a solar farm or a wind turbine. These assets generate real energy. This energy production backs the value of the digital representation per kilowatt-hour at market price. Investors buy, sell, or trade these terajoules. Consumers earn them by energy efficiency incentives. Large or small energy suppliers and residential renewable energy producers and homeowners can create carbon offsets and generate per kilowatt-hour revenues in terajoules. They own a piece of a tangible energy-producing asset, a digital twin of the per kilowatt-hour unit of measurement representing the physical energy produced with equivalent economic market value as a unit of legal tender in the new quantum digital economy. This process is called data fractionalization into qubits, which creates quantum states with digital identities and signatures on a DLT cloud-based ledger. All related metadata, transactional ownership and relevant records are recorded by quantum-secured hybrid smart contracts that operate in our cloud ecosystem. Quantum fractal states are created inspired by quantum mechanics theoretical application, not quantum computing, but by using quantum key pairings and entanglement theory for cryptology. The DLT ledger registered digital identity and signature records associate the energy data qubits by pairing each to the total energy production within the quantum state, which was recorded and registered in the cloud DLT ledger. The individual smart contract-based code automates transactions and identifies changes to the qubit key pairings using cloud logic apps and serverless functions. Quantum algorithms and AI automated agents establish entanglement where theory states that when events occur to one key pair, the other is also affected, which triggers alerts, logging, security features, and other responses embedded into the code. Fractional states per kilowatt-hour data qubits are paired with the total yearly energy production in BC. ZeroChain trade secret process of certification and validation provides the legal foundation and structure to become a new asset class, not currently available. New digital economy assets of energy data registered and recorded on a transparent and immutable DLT ledger by assigning quantum identities and signatures forming a quantum state. an exact duplicate of the existing asset and data set with unparalleled security and revolutionary advanced functionality. This process allows ZeroChain to convert energy data into legal and compliant units of tender for use in the digital economy. These new forms of digital assets provide the tools to establish digital twin equivalents and backed by the valuation of the energy produced per unit of measurement at market price. The energy produced in BC is valued at an estimated $6.3 billion yearly. The development of the customized ZeroChain ecosystem consisting of copyright software, trademarks, green technology patents and trade secrets empowers the establishment overnight of an equivalent $6.3 billion marketplace for the energy use case alone, allowing access to untapped energy production and locked monetary value that allows digital ownership of energy production-backed fractal units valuated at fair market prices. Digital economy representations named data qubits, the energy production per unit of data measurement in a real-time quantum state, issued as a terajoule in key pairs, which enables trading and investment that can be converted to Canadian currency and other financial instruments. A paradigm shift in how to secure financial funding for sustainable development, energy, and green economy projects. A financing process that is a more easy and accessible method than current available, establishing a new innovative approach to facilitate climate-resilient infrastructure replacement and a new source of revenue generation for governments to finance sustainable development as an alternative to taxation or other methods that create socio-economic hardship for Canadians and restricts innovative solutions that can impact and mitigate the looming climate crisis and disaster events awaiting us on the horizon. This ecosystem monetizes energy production, providing a much-needed source of funds to finance the urgent need to address Canada's aging and inadequate infrastructure, which the estimated cost to replace and upgrade is in the $50 billion range or more. It removes outdated administrative burden and the systemic financial barriers not aligned to modern-day realities or the urgency of sustainable finance needs, establishing a BC energy market where anyone can buy, trade, sell, own, or earn a terajoule and support the green economy transition that is critical to BC's future. Section 4. A greener future powered by ZeroChain. The potential impact of ZeroChain by 2030 is huge. Imagine BC where cities are not just smart but also green. ZeroChain is the key to unlocking this future by bridging and creating a new digital economy marketplace, establishing new asset classes that inject billions of new value each year for BC businesses, its residents, and the government. It can unlock trillions of dollars of locked equity as asset-backed equivalents as legal and compliant quantum, secure digital economy financial instruments for energy transactions and green investments. These investments will flow into various sectors, use cases from renewable energy to sustainable agriculture, creating a ripple effect of positive change. This can accelerate the transition to a net zero economy. By funding more wind farms and solar panels, sustainable development projects, and new innovative financial instruments, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. More investment means more renewable energy projects. These projects will not only provide clean energy but also create jobs and stimulate local economies. It means more energy-efficient buildings and homes through incentive programs. Imagine optimization of energy distribution and grid storage that automates usage to consume minimal energy, reward energy efficiency, and contribute to a sustainable urban environment. It means more sustainable transportation systems. Electric buses and cars will become the norm, reducing pollution and making our cities cleaner. ZeroChain can help us avoid a climate disaster, prevent the yearly loss of 47% of energy production due to inefficient distribution and storage systems. By investing in energy data, renewable infrastructure, and green technologies, we can mitigate the effects of climate change, protect future energy security, meet net zero and sustainability goals, and protect our planet. It can create a cleaner, healthier planet for future generations. Our children will inherit a world where they can play in green parks and breathe clean air. It's time to embrace this technology and drive change. Together, we can build a sustainable future, powered by ZeroChain. Section 5. Joining forces for a sustainable tomorrow. In this section, we explore the power of collaboration in driving sustainable energy efficiency initiatives. Greenation ZeroChain is partnering with government agencies, hydro producers, and tech giants, Microsoft and Google Cloud. These partnerships are not just about technology, they are about leveraging the best minds and resources to create impactful solutions. These technology startup sponsorship and partnerships bring unparalleled expertise and resources. By combining our strengths, we can tackle the most pressing environmental challenges more effectively. They enhance the platform's security and scalability. This ensures that our solutions are not only innovative but also robust and reliable. We need everyone on board. Collaboration is key, and every individual and organization has a unique role to play in this journey. Investors, policymakers, community leaders, individuals and corporate entities all have a role to play. Each stakeholder brings a different perspective and set of skills that are crucial for success. Investors should explore the opportunities offered by ZeroChain. Sustainable investments are not just good for the planet, they also promise substantial returns. Policymakers should create a supportive regulatory environment. Clear and favorable policies can accelerate the adoption of ZeroChain quantum financial instruments to fund green technologies and practices. Indigenous community leaders should advocate for green projects and attract investments. Their influence can mobilize local support and drive grassroots initiatives. Together, we can build a more sustainable future. By working hand in hand, we can create a world where economic growth, community, and indigenous environmental stewardship go hand in hand. The time for action is now. We must seize this moment to make a lasting impact for generations to come.